Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not providing buy or sell recommendations. I'm just giving you my opinions. Please do your own research before investing.
Hello, Crypto Cowboys. Emeka here. Welcome back to my channel. And it feels like 2017. So today I woke up, I turned on my computer, went to coinmarketcap.com, and what did I see? Bitcoin has just crossed over $11,000. It's 2017 again, guys.
Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Yes, if you guys remember, in 2017, every day Bitcoin was jumping by $1,000. And this has happened 3 days in a row. I remember 2 days ago, it was at 7,900. It jumped to 8,900, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000 in just 2 days. We are officially in a bull, in a run-up. I mean, I've known this for 2 months, but now it's starting to accelerate. And you know, when it starts to accelerate, the deceleration will be just as fast. Look at how it was back in 2018, that shoot up that happened. It starts off with Bitcoin, and then all the other alts follow suit. And let's look at my handy dandy trade sheet. I know you guys missed that sheet. Let's go back to it. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin, and let's say you want to put in $5,000 worth of Bitcoin, right? Let's say you're getting into Bitcoin at $11,000. It's around 11,000 right now. And let's say you hold it until the all-time high. So the all-time high in 2018, Bitcoin got as high as, let's see here. How high did Bitcoin get in 2018? In 2018, Bitcoin got as high as, let's turn off the market cap here, it's throwing me off. In 2018, Bitcoin got as high as 18,900. Okay. So if you were to go as high, if you were to hold it until at least the all-time high, because all analysts believe that we're going to break the all-time highs this time around. You know, we test it. Every time a bull market comes, it breaks the all-time high from the last time. So the all-time high for Bitcoin was 18,900. If you put $5,000 investment in it, you will earn an extra $3,248. So a 64% return on your money. So that's Bitcoin. Now, in my opinion, the big money, the big return you can get is in Ethereum or it's in Ripple. Now, I like Ethereum a little better because Ethereum has, to me, more value than Ripple. It is severely underpriced and there's an incredible amount of upside. And let me show you what I mean by that. So Ripple sits right now at 48 cents. All right. Ranked number 3 sits at 48 cents. And at its all-time high, Ripple got as high as $3.39. All right. So let's do the same exercise. Let's say we're buying Ripple. Let's buy some Ripple. It's the same $5,000 investment. At an entry price of 48 cents. That's where we are right now. Okay. Now, let's say it goes to the all-time high, which let's remind ourselves what the all-time high was for Ripple. The all-time high for Ripple was $3.39. Okay. So if Ripple were to go to $3.39, you would make your $5,000 investment will go to $33,000. And that is a return of 578% on your money versus 65% of your money if Bitcoin hits its all-time high. So that's a no-brainer, right? If you invest in Ripple and it hits the all-time high that it hit in 2018, you would get a return of 578% of your money. If you invest in Bitcoin and it hits the all-time high that it hit in 2018, you get a 65% return on your money. So this is telling me Ripple is severely underpriced. Forget about the fact that I don't really see the value in Ripple as much as I see in Bitcoin, as a lot of other people see in Bitcoin. It's still a top 10 cryptocurrency. It is still ranked number 3 on CoinMarketCap.com. And most investors just come and look at the numbers. They don't care. So if you're looking for something to give you massive amounts of return, assuming it hits the same all-time highs that it did in 2018, Ripple is the investment for you. Let's look at one more. Let's look at let's look at one more. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is the one that I personally really believe in because it's something that I think has a lot of value and it is also severely underpriced. So let's look at Ethereum. Let's go here. Let's buy some Ethereum. My handy dandy crypto sheet. So what is the entry price for Ethereum right now? Let's take a look. Go to CoinMarketCap.com. So Ethereum is sitting at $313. Wow. And in the heyday of Ethereum, it got as high as $1,377. $1,377. That's how high Ethereum got. So let's say you bought it today at $313 and it got as high as it could go, which is $1,377. That's an all-time high. It would be a 322% increase in your money. So, assuming you invested $5,000 in Bitcoin, $5,000 in Ripple, $5,000 in Ethereum, and they all hit all-time highs, your $15,000 investment would give you roughly $50,000. Now, assuming you avoided Bitcoin altogether, given the numbers right here, and you put that $10,000 into Ripple, you're looking at $74,000. You're looking at $75,000. You invest $15,000, you get a 500% growth in your money. That's pretty good. So let's just wait and see. And this is just if it hits the all-time highs. Remember, a lot of analysts believe it will break the all-time highs. So it's a pretty good time to get into the crypto market. Once again, Bitcoin is leading the way. And usually what happens after that is all the other altcoins follow suit. So it's the right time to get into the altcoins. I personally believe in also investing in Bitcoin. Why? Because Bitcoin, of all the others, could exceed, of all the others, is the one cryptocurrency that people say could get to 100,000. It could get to 200,000. And if that's the case, then of course, these numbers that I put here won't make any sense. Because remember, it's the only cryptocurrency that's gotten as high as $18,000. Anyway, what do you guys think? Do you think Bitcoin is back? Do you think the crypto market is back? Are you jumping back in? Are you making those investments? Let me know.